Hi, and welcome to another edition of the review shows. Today on the review shows we're going to be reviewing the Mah Health blender, which is rechargeable, the Mah Health rechargeable blender, and it's for making smoothies in 20 seconds, perfect for smoothies and shakes on the go. So you can actually use this cup to drink out of once you've made your smoothies. It's rechargeable, USB base, high powered 4000 mAh battery, perfect for smoothies and shakes on the go, easy to clean parts, and also charge your phone on the go. So we'll try that again later as well. And it is BPA free as well. So let's open it up and see what's inside the box. Okay, here we have the cup. With a detachable stand, charging lead and a filter. As you can see in there, the blades, which when you take that off, I'd imagine are spun by that. So in here we have an instruction manual and the rechargeable base. All that back in there. So it looks like the cup sits on there. I think we'll have to we'll have to charge this up first. So we'll charge it up and come back in a short while. So there's the charging port on the back, which also has the USB port. So we'll plug that in if we can. There he goes. And it's actually saying CH now on there. And it'll say CF when it's fully charged. So once that says CF, we'll come back and try it. So see you in a bit. Okay, welcome back. It's saying CF now, so I'll unplug that. So that's saying it's fully charged. So you pop the base on there, and then we have to fill it up with our fruit. We've got some frozen raspberries here. We have some grapes, seedless. All this has been pre-washed. Make sure you always wash your fruit. Some blueberries. Do some strawberries. I think this is going to be one of your 5 a day, at least. And some cherries. Making sure you take the stone out. I don't think that'll blend very well. A few cherries in there. And you can put whatever you want in here. I imagine there's lots of recipes on Google and other such search engines that will help you find recipes to place on here or in here. So there's our cherries going in. Might have been an idea to stone these first. And now we'll add some orange juice. Give it a shake because this one's got bits in it. And there we have it. Oh, you want to see it work, okay? See what we have to do. Press the button until you see UL, and then press and hold. Oh, there you go. And it now has a countdown on there. It should stop on its own. It's mixing quite well. Oh, and there he goes. There we have that. Now you can actually take it off the base, place the cup on there, the cup bottom, and you have a nice cup you can drink straight out of. But I am going to put it in a glass to see what it looks like. And add some ice. So let's tip this in there. Look at that. We have the filter in there, which is helping to stop any large bits coming through. Now to try it. Smells delicious. And tastes delicious. That is gorgeous. As I say, you can put whatever you like in there. I've just used fruit. You can use vegetables, I'd imagine, as well. And there it is. The Mah Health Rechargeable Blender. One thing before we finish, we're going to try and see if we can charge our phone using the USB port. And there it is, charging. Charging away. And if I dim the lights, you'll be able to see the lead charging it. So there we have it, the Mah Health Rechargeable Blender for a healthier lifestyle. Thank you. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and hit the bell so you'll know if any other videos come along. Please check out our other videos, and thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you next time on the review shows.